Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pin up messages on Discord so you're able to find them easily. So for instance, you send them like a message of your, I don't know, like your Valorant crosshair, and you just want to like save that on Discord because it's easier for you to just copy and paste if you want to use like other accounts. But you don't want to like scroll to find that specific message. You can also do it in servers as well. I'm just going to show you on the server. I'm just going to type in hello there, and then I'm going to pin it by going to more and select pin message and select pin it, and then you can see all pinned messages up here. So if you don't see this text anymore, just select this pinned messages and it'll show you all of the messages that you have pinned. I think you can do more than one. Yeah, you can do more than one. You can jump to it, like jump to the message, and also you can delete the pinned messages and select remove it please by pressing the X and selecting that button. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!